Eagles can fly and rabbits run, and when they're done, they're just like me. I'm free, I'm me in my nest, my home. I-yo.
Listen to this. The feeling of rain and snow on your face, being numbed by an icy wind and thawing out before a smoking fire, coming out of a hot sweat bath and plunging into a cold stream. These things make you feel alive. Neat, eh?
Yeah. What's with the books? Why does Aunt Lily keep on sending them to you?
Well, she says it's my Indian education.
You don't need that. Just look around.
What's wrong?
The kid's really sick, appendicitis. They had to bring her out yesterday from their cabin.
Yeah, they can't go ahead without the blood?
Well, the clinic didn't have any of the V negative, and I guess they can't do the operation without it.
Okay, where am I going?
It's called Spirit Bay?
Yeah, north of Copper Point?
Yeah, you have to put down on ice.
You worry too much, John.
And you don't worry enough, Jess.
Do you ever think about who's ever walked here before? You know, a long time ago. You know, like Crazy Horse or Name Deer. We've been out here for 2 days and we've hardly said a word. Talk!
My dad used to send us home if we talked to the chop line.
What are you supposed to do? Talk to the trees?
Try it. You might hear something intelligent for a change.
I'm in love with Big Blue Frog. Big Blue Frog loves me. It's not as bad as it appears. It's got glasses and a PhD.
He says he heard rumors about you and Ramona. He thinks you're in love.
Let's go.
Wait. Yeah, uh-huh. This is great.
Grab it.
Wait. He says you should ask you to the New Year's party. But first change your socks.
Well, I'm in love with the Big Blue Frog. Big Blue Frog loves me. It's not as bad as it appears. It's got glasses and
He says that all the trees have to put their branch over their noses when they hear you coming. Shh. Wait. This is the good part.
I mean it. They hear something. Come on, let's go.
Whoa! Mayday! Mayday! This is Turbo Beaver OPA! We're going down! Whoa! Mayday! Mayday!
You know anything about first aid?
No, I think we shouldn't talk so loud. I think she can hear us.
We better cover up.
Okay.
We're gonna need help, that's for sure. We can't carry her.
No. What about your dad?
Yeah, we'll go back to the cabin and get the skidoo.
Okay.
Don't worry. Make some tea and keep her warm. I'll be back before dark.
Oh. Rats.
What? Oh, get me out of this.
No, try not to move if you're hurt.
I'm not hurt. It's these blankets. Oh,
You see?
okay. Okay, you don't have to gloat. Not to light that fire.
Well, I've been trying.
There's some paper in my pocket. My wallet. That landing was a tad rough.
This?
Yeah, well, it's not going to do me any good if I freeze to death.
You want me to burn it?
Why not?
No.
Hey, look.
My book.
My name's Jessie, kid. What's yours?
Oh, rabbit.
Yeah? You Indian?
Yeah.
Well, Rabbit, we got a plan?
Well, sort of. Minno's gone for help.
Oh, good. Oh, the blood.
The what?
What's left of the plane?
Not much.
A Red Cross box?
This?
Yeah, that's it. What else is there?
Some spares and, a bottle.
Great. Bring them both. See if you can cut that strap. Well, Ray, we made it through by the skin of our teeth that time.
Well, what's it for? I mean, like, what's the blood for?
Little girl in Spirit Bay, appendicitis.
Oh, who is it? Like, what's the name?
I don't know. I just know that we gotta get it to her quick.
Mama!
He said he'd be back before dark.
It's not dark yet.
It will be.
Why don't you make me some tea? Oh, Rabbit, use your mitt.
I know what I'm doing.
Oh, I see.
Maybe got hurt.
Maybe. Maybe not. Rabbit, use a stick here.
I can do it.
Are you always just stubborn?
Yours is bossy.
Yes, it's my nature.
Well, mine too.
Ah, Rabbit. I like your confidence. You remind me of me when I was your age. When in doubt, swagger. That was my motto.
You don't look so good.
No, I don't feel so good.
I think we need a plan. wing. You think it'll work?
A wing and a prayer? Why not?
It's gonna be a rough ride, though.
It couldn't be any more uncomfortable than my last one. Anyway, if I am uncomfortable, you'll be the first to hear about it.
Maybe we should wait for Middle.
Rabbit, when in doubt, swagger. Get swaggering. Rabbit, wait, please, just for a minute, okay?
What's wrong?
I can't, it hurts too much, okay? Let's just rest for a minute.
Okay.
You're doing fine, Rabbit. Me and Ray were just talking about you. He was telling me what a fine boy you are.
Ray?
Yeah, he's my husband. The one in the picture, you know. Except he's dead.
You talk to the picture?
Sure. Don't you ever do that? Me and Ray, we have great conversations. We remember old times. We remember everything. We remember some things didn't even happen. What do you remember, Rabbit?
I don't know. Not much.
Oh, come on, Rabbit. This is a conversation to forget about the pain, you know? What was that book that you had?
Oh, it's from Aunt Lily. She calls my Indian education.
What for? I thought you were an Indian.
Well, I am mostly, but I didn't start being one until I came to Spirit Bay.
Where were you before that?
Around.
Oh, yeah? Foster homes?
Yeah.
Oh, me too. Yeah. I get along too good with my parents.
No kidding.
Yeah. But life, eh? Really makes you feel different from the other kids. I didn't have an aunt to help me either. Just a bunch of pretend friends.
Well, I used to have a pretend brother.
Yeah?
Yeah, I call him Wolf.
Wolf.
Well, I haven't thought about him in a long time.
What happened?
Appendicitis. They gave her something to make her sleep. She has to have an operation. We're waiting for the blood.
Blood.
They're flying it in.
I could have skipped that second piece of cherry pie last night, but no. I can just see tomorrow's paper. Pilot dies. Cherry pie blame.
Jesse, don't make me laugh. Jesse.
It crashed in a bush just past Little Creek. Rabbit's with the pilot right now.
Is he all right?
It's a woman.
Was it a yellow plane with red markings?
Didn't notice.
It's the plane with the blood. It's gotta be. Somebody's gotta get to them quick.
Jesse.
You take my skidoo, Minnow.
I'll go home and get the sleigh. I'll go round up some guys. Meet you in front of my house in 5 minutes.
Doc Dwayne Mock.
Just keep going. Just where's the point? It's not that far, really.
When we get past the point, we go directly to the trap lines.
Me, Lazyman, and Reaper will go for the cabin. You can take the ice right across.
They can't see me.
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay? Yeah, I got water in the gas. Let's go!